So this question here is one you've got to think about a little bit to get into. What I'm going to do first is work out the moles of the carbon dioxide and the water. So to do that, I'm going to use the mass here, and I'm going to use my Mr. Moles underneath the mass triangle. So the mass is 26.4 of carbon, and carbon's got a MR of 44. So 26.4 divided by 44, and that's giving me 0.6 moles. Now, because 1 mole of CO2 equals 1 mole of carbon, and that's because there is 1 carbon in that structure. So here, I've also got 0.6 moles of carbon. Number 2 is, let's work out the moles of water. So the moles of water is the mass divided by the MR. So the mass in this case is 5.4. So we've got 5.4 divided by 18. So 5.4 divided by 18 is 0.3 moles. But what I need to remember now is that that is 1 mole of H2O is equal to 2 moles of hydrogen. So if I've got 0.3 of this, what I'm going to have to do is times that by 2, and that's going to give me 0.6 moles of hydrogen. So 0.6 moles of hydrogen. Now then, what you've got here is that 0.6 moles of hydrogen and 0.6 moles of carbon, the ratio of carbon to hydrogen is 1 to 1. So because it's 1 to 1, these two, whatever x is equal to y. So all I'm going to do then is take the 78 and divide it by, if it was 1 carbon, 1 hydrogen. So carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1 mole, makes it 13. So if I now do 78 divided by 13, that's giving me 6. So that means there are 6 carbons and 6 hydrogens to make this right. So my x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 6. So my formula is C6H6. It's a little bit messy. I apologize about that, but hopefully you can follow the working out.